Good afternoon to our dear MIC sisters, faculty and staff, and fellow Wicamites. I am Annabel Pinky Estrella, anak ko ni Mrs. Estrella, Banzon, and on behalf of Batch 89, I would like to welcome you all to our journey to the past in this exciting 2014 Grand Alumni Homecoming. It has been decades since we left the nurturing halls of ECOM, and now she has welcomed us back with loving arms. Today is a celebration of all of us and of the friendships that began all those years ago and have endured or been rekindled, and how these friendships touch our lives and will always be treasured. Inasmuch as this is also time for Thanksgiving and remembering, let us pause for a moment to honor the memory of our schoolmates and teachers who have gone too soon and are deeply missed in this celebration. Please join me too in offering a silent prayer for our fellow alumni and the other members of the ECOM community who cannot be with us today while they struggle and cope with illness. Let us offer a little silent prayer. We have had very meaningful journeys since we graduated, and I am proud to say that the moral and spiritual values that ECOM instilled in us since childhood have been part of our journey through life. We will not be where we are now if not for you, our beloved MIC sisters, former teachers, and administrative staff. We will forever be indebted and grateful to you for your guidance and loving care while we were growing up. I would also like to acknowledge all the people who have helped to make this event possible. My batchmates, here and abroad, our reunion working committee, the ECOM Alumni Association, and the ECOM PTA. Special recognition goes to my batchmates who did everything they could to bring us all together again. Your presence here will surely enrich the entire reunion experience for all of us. Thank you, and please enjoy our meet and treat of fun, food, and fabulous prizes.